Hi everyone, I'm Miss Guyton, the art teacher at Thomas Street Elementary. We are so excited that you have joined us today to make some art at home. We wish you could be here in our school to make art with us for our annual arts festival, but since we can't, we're going to make art at home with you. The theme of our arts festival this year is Africa, and the children are learning all about Africa and all the many art forms found in Africa. Every child was sent home with a bag that contained model magic and a string and some other activities and links to different things that you can do with your family at home. We hope that you will engage in all of those activities with your family. Today I'm going to show you how to make some simple beads to make an African necklace. Model magic is going to be used to make our beads. This does not have to be heated or cooked or anything to make it get hard. It is simply an air dry material. So it'll take about 24 to 48 hours to dry to become hard. You can pull off little pieces of the model magic and it's just like Play-Doh, and you can shape it into different forms to make your beads, and you can either wait for the model magic to dry and then you can color it with magic markers, or you can use paint to paint your beads, or you can use markers to color your model magic before you make your beads. Like this, you can add some color to your model magic, and then if you roll it up, it creates a really neat color, kind of a tie-dyed or even a marbled look. And then you can create your beads from that. So I'm going to make a simple bead just by rolling the model magic in my hand. And then you take a pencil or a pen or anything you have at home to make a hole through your bead. And then you can set it to the side to dry. And again, it takes about 24 to 48 hours for this to dry completely and become hard. And you can take your string and put it through your bead. You can make as many beads as you want to with this project, and you can make whatever sizes you want to as well. Be creative with this, and remember it takes 24 to 48 hours for your beads to dry completely. One of the most important things to remember about this project is to always make sure that you poke a hole through the bead that you are making before it dries. Once it dries, you can use magic markers to color your beads, or you can use paint to paint your beads as well. When your necklace has dried completely, you can wear it to school to show all of your friends your creative masterpiece. We will have a celebration to be able to wear these necklaces that you create on April the 23rd. Be sure to wear your necklace and we will celebrate all we've learned at the Arts Festival. Thanks so much and have a great evening.